Hennessey Performance fans, and welcome. This is the matchup you've all been waiting for, the McLaren 765 LT versus the McLaren 720S. The main question is, how much faster is this new 765 versus the 720S? We have seen drag times do a 9:33 in the quarter mile, which is pretty astounding. We're going to do some roll racing and some dig racing. These surfaces are not prepped, so this is going to be apples to apples comparison as if you were on the street. So again, not prepped surface. Chris, thanks for bringing out the 720S. Chris is from Freedom Supercars. You probably have seen him before if you are around our YouTube channel. Tell us a little bit about Freedom Supercars.
Sure, so we provide membership subscriptions so people can drive something like the 720, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, everything. We're even launching a new club in Austin this summer.
Freedom Supercars in the link below. This is Supercar Chris. That's what we like to call him around here. So thanks again. Let's go have some fun. All of a sudden.
Honey, hold it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Crazy.
Dude, these cars are unreal. Honestly, I don't mind coming in a little bit behind you because the back of that car with the quad exhaust is unreal cool looking.
That one was pretty much perfect. I think we can move into a roll.
You want to try like 45?
Yeah.
This guy right here, he really thinks he knows what he's doing.
What? All right, here we go. What do you think? How was it?
It's pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie.
So the gearing in the 765 is a little bit different, so it was kind of hard for us to get neck and neck on a roll race, but we got it nailed down and got a fair race in.
That 765 is probably one of the coolest cars out there on the road. I mean, styling wise, it doesn't get much better than that.
That about wraps this video up. It was a very fun comparison. The 765 is the king of the streets. It's an unbelievable car. We can't wait to modify it a little bit and get some more power out of it. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Drive a stock one when you can drive this.